Hey guys, I want to introduce you to my trading bot called Piggy Bank. I created it about 5 years ago. During the time I've been using it, and I have been using it personally and still do, it has undergone several improvements because I, as the author of this software, found some drawbacks that I was eager to fix. And now finally, after 5 years of using it, I have optimized it to what can be called its ideal state. I don't know what else to improve on it because it already works really well. It brings in a good profit and trades with a small drawdown. As for its profitability, this is the most important question that everyone is interested in. With minimal trading risk settings, it provides at least 100% per year. As for if we load it more heavily, then from the perspective of trading risk, it can yield about 500% upon profit per year. And now I would like to tell you more in detail about what this bot is, how it works, and how you can obtain it. So, let's start with the fact that this bot was initially created for the MetaTrader 4 platform. After I saw that it had enormous potential and had already made several improvements to this bot, bringing it almost to perfection, I created its MT5 copy. Now I have these two bots available for both the MT4 and MT5 platforms. This means it is the optimal option to acquire such a bot because it is versatile and will work on the two most popular platforms, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. The choice is yours. Of course, all the improvements made for MT4 or Dumbo or MT5, I immediately transfer them to the second bot, which is an equivalent for the Twine other platform. As you understand, the trading asset for this bot is the currency pair of the British pound against the US dollar. This trading bot can also be optimized for other currency pairs, but I chose not to do this because if you combine multiple currency pairs trading on one account, this bot will trade with a higher load and profitability. Well, it increases proportionally with the trading risks. Therefore, I decided not to take the risk. Let it work on the currency pair where this bot generates the most profit. As for the trading time frame, it is the M15 time frame. I believe this is a universal time frame, which is in the middle between the smallest and the largest time frame. If you are not aware, on the MetaTrader platform, and indeed on any other platform, there is such a gradation of time frames as from M1 is 1 minute, one candle that appears equals 1 minute. Every minute a new candle appears. This is how the chart is constructed. You can trade on such a time frame where the quotes will move the fastest. There is a time frame that equals 1 month. That is, one candle on the quote chart appears once a month. This is the slowest time frame because changes occur very rarely there. So in between them is M15. That is, it's neither fast nor slow. This is exactly the time during which indicators can perform a quality analysis of the market's technical condition, make a decision on the market's direction to understand in which direction to trade. So this bot trades precisely on this M15 time frame. The strategy that my trading bot uses is a trend following and simultaneously counter trend strategy. That is, it operates in both directions with the market, meaning with the trend, and against the market, against the trend. Accordingly, it earns twice as much as other bots, and it is twice as effective because while the market is trending, one specific algorithm is earning if the market goes into a pullback, but the trend following algorithm pauses and the counter trend strategy earns. Accordingly, this bot will perform well in any market condition. It won't wait out these phases. It will simply bring you steady profits every day. Yes, of course. I want to add that this robot uses a grid trading tactic, meaning it employs multiple trades spaced at certain intervals. The distance is calculated using a coefficient, constantly changing, allowing it to build such grids. As I mentioned, in both the trend direction and the counter trend direction. And but you can use this bot with a minimum capital of $100, provided you use a cent account. In this way, I combined, let's say, I reduced trading risks for everyone and provided an opportunity for those who want to earn in the market, Forex, in general, in the financial market, but do not know how to approach this market. And most importantly, for those who do not have a lot of money to start trading, I made it possible to trade, to take the most optimal version of this bot and start trading on a cent account, which reduces trading risks significantly, reduces them. Let's say it reduces trading risk by 100 times. What a cent account is and which broker is best suited for trading, I will tell you in trading. I will tell you in the lesson, which is located via the link in the description of this video. By the way, in the description of this video, you will be able to find instructions on how to get this trading bot. So go to the description of this video and you will find a lot of useful information. Guys, we will conduct a test of this trading system in the strategy tester of the Beta Trader 4 platform, starting with 25,000 and going upwards. This test spans 1 year until the virtualization of trading. And we see that there are drawdowns, they are small, and the robot is precise. The steady line goes upwards, and we started the test from $25,000 and grew to $64,000. I set the minimum risk. So in this way, with a small risk, we more than doubled the capital in a year. That is, we grew from 25,000 to 64,000. I think that's about 120%, 120% approximately. Percent risk. In this way, the capital will grow, which will be in automatic mode using this trading bot.